I want to mention that this is something that Congress recognized and when it passed a law several years ago and the FCC implemented rules to effectuate that law. Congress looked and said, look, the polls are important. And so we're going to have a process by which companies can attach to those polls. And we're going to do it in a fair and equitable way so that poll owners should be compensated for the fair use of their polls by attachers, while attaching companies should not be denied access to those polls in some way unfairly or saddled with excessive costs. And it was a careful balancing that Congress tried to reach here. Unfortunately, as some have already talked about, despite that law and the FCC's rules on the issue, we've seen at least a Charter, and I know others have experienced, other broadband providers have experienced this as well. We've just seen that too much of the costs associated with polls, poll attachments, but in particular poll replacement costs, have been pushed to the broadband providers in a way that's just not just and reasonable as Congress intended,